And today we have PPT session, and in this session we all have prepared our PPTs, and I have the PPT session which is Unit 731. And how many people knows about the Unit 731? I want to know with you. No one has idea, but it is a part of our history which we have not been taught in our schools. But I am going to tell you about this because in earlier time there was the World War attack happened one and second, and during the World War second it happened because. And stations occupied China, and it performed inhuman experiment against the victims who are attacking them. So the China made this for attacking against the victims, and it was held in Japan, which in there the Japanese people around 3,000 and 4,000 people were died due to this experiment, because in this experiment all people were died because the team of Unit 731, in that team 7 to 8 people were included, and they did experiment on the humans, and in that team one person was interested in experiment for humans, so he did all these things frostbite experiment. I wrote about it, and in this experiment uh, those people who died, they died by the cold water, extremely cold water. In that experiment means people put on cold water, and they got very cold, and the team of Unit 731, they took example how long will a human take to die in cold water, and at the last the result was nothing, the human died. And same thing happened again and again, lots of times. Around 4,000 people died in Japan, and at the last the conclusion is this experiment was held by the China for attacking against them the victims, and in that case lots of people were died, and no anesthesia and no one person was included in this. All these 7 and 8 psychiatrists included in this, they means they did experiment against them. Thank you. If you have any question, you can ask.